Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart for Home. Today, we're going to talk about a common issue with Sharp TVs when they won't turn on. It can be frustrating, but don't worry, we'll walk you through some steps to troubleshoot and hopefully get your TV up and running again. Step 1. Check power connection. First things first, let's check the power connection. Make sure the power cable is securely plugged into both the TV and the wall outlet. Sometimes a loose connection can prevent the TV from turning on. Power cycle the TV. Next, try power cycling the TV. Simply unplug it from the power source and wait for about a minute. This helps to reset any minor issues that might be causing the problem. Step 3. Check remote control and buttons. Check the batteries in your remote control. Sometimes, if the batteries are dead, the remote won't send signals to the TV. Also, try pressing the power button directly on the TV to see if that turns it on. Don't look for indicator lights or error messages. Many TVs, including Sharp ones, have indicator lights that can give you clues about what might be wrong. Look for any lights on the front or side of the TV that might be lit up or flashing. These can indicate specific errors or issues. Step: perform a factory reset. If none of the previous steps worked, you might need to consider a factory reset. Keep in mind, this will erase any custom settings you've made. Look for the reset option in your TV's settings menu and follow the on-screen instructions. Conclusion, and there you have it. Those are some steps you can take to try and fix a Sharp TV that won't turn on. If you've tried everything and your TV still isn't working, it might be time to contact Sharp customer support or a professional technician for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips.